Have you ever noticed that we are all ricocheting through life? The faster life becomes, the more we are robbed of deeper connections with the people and the world around us. We are LuxRally. We are the people who crave more, the explorers, the adventurers, the pioneers who live deeply and richly. We believe in the simple pleasures, a gasp, a burn, or a sigh. We are LuxRally. We know the best journeys are not planned, but uncovered. We believe in craftsmanship. Roads can be gardens, restaurants can be palaces, and passions can be long-lasting. Whether you drive with us, dine with us, party with us, you'll discover us. Our passion comes from our belief that life is richer when you truly connect with the people and the road that rings the world. We are LuxRally.